How to full screen a board in monday.com. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make a board as a full screen into your workspace of Monday. So we're going to head over Monday, sign in for an account, and then we are going to choose the board that we want to put on full screen. So this option is going to be for dashboards. As you can see here, this is a dashboard. When you're going to click on more options here, you're going to find open in full screen. This is going to be the dashboard itself. Everything is going to be like that. So you're going to click on the or press the button escape to exit the mode. But on the boards, if you're going to click on three dots, you're not going to find full screen. So that means that it is going to be placed into another place. So we are going to click on the board that we want to visualize as a full screen. Then we're going to head over here, the more options of the board. Now we're going to find this board options and etc. And we're going to find something called more actions. On more actions, we're going to find save as template and everything, and at the end full screen. So we're going to click on the full screen, and here you got your board on a full screen mode. I'm going to do that into another board. As you can see, this is a new board. I'm going to search here nothing, but when you are going to be here, we're going to find options, more actions, full screen. Boom. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.